Good morning or good afternoon or good evening or welcome back to Branding by Tutorial. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, we are Branding by Tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we teach or we talk about things that concerns Jamb, admission, post-UTME, and WAEC and NECO. Okay, so if you are any of these students, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the notifications so that whenever I upload any amazing videos, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out because we are uploading updates on YouTube on daily basis. So it is important for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications. All right, so it is very, very important. Okay, so please subscribe and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever we drop any content you like, YouTube will notify you. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about um our topic of today is it true that Jamb is it true that change of institution and course can only be done once? All right, so just like the way I promise our subscribers, I promise them that whatever questions I receive from my candidate, I will definitely have to come here to answer the question so that everybody out there will also learn from the question. All right, so that's what I promised them, and by the special grace of God, that's what I will be doing. So I have a whole lot of questions, and I will be answering it on this platform. So it is advised for you to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so that whenever I drop any of the question, any of the answers here, so you will have to watch and know or learn from there also. Okay, so before I continue, I want to let you know that we have a WhatsApp platform, all right? So it is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidates, all right? So of course, you yourself can become one of our candidates. What you will do is just to let me know on the comment section that you want to become one of us. So when you message me on the comment section, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know, if you message me on WhatsApp, after getting to know you, I will have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so and you've been here in that our WhatsApp group. You have access to WAEC answers. You have a free of charge. You have access to NECO answers free of charge. Then you have access to schools post UTME past questions free of charge. Okay, so you also you also will meet your fellow aspirants there in the platform, and also a learning program. Also, our lessons are also going on for post UTME. All right, so that's basically what you would do. Okay, so message me and you'll be right there and you'll be added. Okay, so let's go right to the video. So if you notice, if you have written Jam the first time, you'll notice that when you put after your changes, they will tell you that if you check down of your slip, you'll find out that they wrote it there that changes can only be done once. Okay, so changes can only be done once. That's what they say there, but that's a lie. All right, so it's a lie. So you can do changes more than once. So I'm not saying you should start making mistakes so that you start doing changes every time or every now and then you are doing changes. So no, that's not what I'm saying. So it is because some persons after seeing that stuff, they will be like, oh my god, am I changes, is it once, is it this, is it that? So that's basically the reason why I have to make this content so that you guys will equally learn from that. So you can do changes more than once, right? All right, you can do more or one, two, three, four, so that's it. So changes is not only once, all right? So feel free is not only once. You can do changes twice and thrice also. All right. So I believe I've answered this question today. So if you have anything you don't understand, or you have anything you want me to do for you, or have anything you want me to help you and do, all right, so I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification. Then message me on the comment section. I'll be ready to give you my number. All right. So also, if you have a very low jam score and you want to gain admission this year, I'm also available for you. All right. So you don't want to write jam again in 2025. All right. So that's basically how it is. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I really appreciate my subscribers. All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay. Keep winning.